What's the meaning of accentuation? Accentuation. 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 Accentuation is the act of emphasizing or giving prominence to something. It can be used in a variety of contexts, including speech, writing, and music. In speech, accentuation can be achieved through the use of stress, pitch, and rhythm. In writing, it can be achieved through the use of punctuation, capitalization, and italics. In music, it can be achieved through the use of dynamics, articulation, and tempo. Accentuation can be used to create a variety of effects, such as emphasis, contrast, and rhythm. It can also be used to convey emotion, such as excitement, sadness, or anger. Here are some examples of accentuation in action. A speaker might use a louder voice to emphasize a particular point. A writer might use italics to highlight a key word or phrase. A musician might use a crescendo to build up excitement. Accentuation is a powerful tool that can be used to improve the clarity, impact, and emotion of your communication.